Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the features or tools that's available for measuring distances or elevation changes in OS Map. So OS Map offers several tools and features for measuring distances and elevation changes, which can be helpful for planning routes, accessing terrain difficulties, and tracking progress during outdoor activities. You need to go and log into your OS Map account. Now, OS maps typically include a distance measurement tools that allows you to measure the distance between two or more points on the map. Now, to use this tool, you have to look for a distance measurement icon or option in the app or menu bar. If you're on the map page, you can go ahead and tap the three-dot icon, and here you can find multiple options. You can go ahead and explore that as well. So after you select the tools, then you can go ahead and tap the map to set the starting point of measurement. You can go ahead and continue clicking or tapping to add additional point along your desired route. Now the tool will display the tool distance as you add point, allowing you to accurately measure the distance of your. So then the OS map may also offer an evaluation profile tool that provides information about change in evaluation along a specific route. Now to access these, you can look for the elevation profile icon or option in the app menu or toolbar. So that's basically how you can use the tool or features that's available in OS Map to measure distances or elevation changes. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.